Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video I have for you two boxes that arrived and I was not expecting them. This is from Mooncat Polish, which is the rebrand of Live Love Polish. So I'm opening this and I just showed you guys this on my story. Like I have no idea what's in here. I know one of them is the latest collection, like their initial collection that they've been promoting, and I don't know what the other one is. So let's go through the boxes and I'll show you guys the new, branding, the colors. We can do quick swatches on swatch sticks, and I want to show you guys comparisons between the new bottle and all that and the original Live Love Polish. So let's get into it. All right, so let's see what this one is, and I just put a base coat. Excuse my microphone showing here in the corner. Whoops. I was saying I just put on a base coat on my nails just in case we want to play with anything, It's still not even dry. Oh, I don't want to break it. It's so pretty. Woo! Let's see. All right. I am going to take them out of the box off camera because if not, you guys are going to fall asleep and we don't want that. All right. Quick preview, real quick. Damn, they're so pretty. But yeah, let me take them off, out of the box, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, so this is the Ode to Luna collection. I will put the name down here because you guys know I butcher things when I pronounce them. And let's just go through, for example, I want to compare. I'm going to grab this one polish before we get into swatching them and compare to the previous, okay? So these were 10 mLs, these are 15. So you get quite a lot more product. Now let's take a look at the caps. This one had the plastic cap that you have to remove, and this one doesn't anymore, right? So, and aesthetic differences are very obvious. I won't describe that for you guys, but I do want to take a look at the brushes because I saw on their socials that they upgraded the brush. So let's take a look. Okay, this one's a wide, very wide brush. Okay, so old one, new one. All right, so that's it. It's the difference in the aesthetic of the bottle, the brush, and the amount of product. So those are the main three differences between Live Love Polish and Mooncat. So now I want to go ahead and swatch these real quick. Just like swatch them here to see how they apply and all that. And that's it. And then we'll open the second box. So there is a top coat, and then there is a topper. It's like a really pretty, hollow, scattered, delicate topper, which, you can put this on any polish. And so let's go with the dark side first. Let's see. I'm going to zoom in here real quick just so we can see my nail up close. And let's go. The brush is so wide and nice. You guys know I love wide brushes. Now, to be honest, it never really bothered me, the brushes that they had before, because their formulas were really good. So I'm often saying that wide brushes are more beneficial for the brand because it makes their polishes apply so nicely. So it's kind of like in their best interest to provide them. It just makes their formulas feel better, honestly. But if the formulas are good, then the thin brushes don't matter that much. Okay, this one is Selene. So I think this is misspelled because on their website, I'm looking at it, it says Selene. So there's missing an E here, no big deal. Let's take a look at Selene. And I'm swatching my positioning right now is kind of messed up. So I'm sorry if you guys see me do anything messy or weird. The brushes are very soft, very nice and wide. And I probably will do second coats off camera because I don't want to bore you guys. Up next we have a polo. Very beautiful. It has like some scattered holo in there. You can see if I go on and off focus, you can see it. Let's take a look at this baby. They apply super smooth. So if you like the formula of Live Love Polish, these have the same quality. It's basically, like I said, better brush, more product, and a different aesthetic, but the quality seems to be similar. And this one's like a burgundy brown linear hollow. This is beautiful. I was gonna put it on my pinky, but it's so tiny. I wanna try it here so you guys can see it better. And okay, we'll see if I can swatch this in the air. Oh, there it is. Beautiful, very smooth. No complaints whatsoever. Other than I'm swatching in the air and I'm not used to doing that. That's why you see so much of a mess. Okay, so I did second coats and I just checked. Selene is actually a magnetic. So let's go again and try this one more time the right way. Okay, I didn't even realize. Okay, hold on one second. And I do have my little wand here from Lip Love Polish actually. So. Oh my god, it's so pretty! I'll show you guys in a second. I'm sorry. Watching it, this is boring, but I promise. Look at it, it's so pretty. Oh my god. I'm gonna do a second coat of camera and come back. I'm sorry that I missed it. But anyways, even if you don't do the magnetic effect, it's still so pretty. And guess what? Apollo is also magnetic. So we're gonna do it again. I should have read all the descriptions before filming, but I just got these boxes. I had no idea they were coming. I'm not wearing a base coat right now on this finger. And I just wanted to film kind of first impressions. So sometimes when you're filming first impressions, things don't go as planned. There's no script. So Apollo and Selene are both magnetic. Oh, fudge, bro. This is so damn cute. Beautiful. Look at that fact. Woohoo! Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. All right, so here you have it. This is Apollo, the magnetic. Selene, another magnetic. This is Selene without the magnet because you guys know I messed up. This one is like a foily metallic. It's called the dark side, 2 coats. And then this one is that linear hollow called Blood Moon. It's beautiful. I don't even have flash on, and this is showing the hollow. So I cannot imagine how this is gonna look like either under flash or in the sun, you guys. It's so strong, so good. So here you have them. I'm going to do a quick coat of the topper just to give it a little bit more, I don't know, drama. And then we'll go into the second box to see what's in there. All right, so I decided to paint my middle finger black just so you guys could see the effect of the Moondust, because over the other ones, since they have their own effect, you might not, see it as good. So once again, here we have Selene, which is a metallic, come on girl, magnetic. Then we have the dark side, which is like a foily type of metallic. Then this is just a plain black nail polish with Moondust over it. And I'm gonna try to go focus here so you guys can see the little holo. This is actually 1 coat of the Moondust, so it's pretty good. Has a lot in there. And then we have Apollo, which is the other magnetic, gorgeous. And last but not least, we have the Blood Moon. These all have 1 coat of Moondust. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh, this is another set that they had on their website. Let me take it out of their boxes and I'll be right back, and we can play with these on this hand and then we'll see them all. My Cindy hand, poor thing, is kind of like not in that good shape, but we'll figure it out. All right, so here they are outside of the box, and I made a mistake. I thought this was something else that I had seen on their website. These are not part of a set or anything. They're just colors from their line, and if you notice, these 3 match the branding, right? So cute. They're current colors. This one's Highway Glow. Can you see? I don't know if you can see. If you can see the bottle. This one is Midnight Drive, and this one is Emo For Life. So I'm not gonna swatch this one. It's a black like regular plain black, no undertones or effects or anything. I will show you guys these two. And then this is a linear holo called Fake Halo. This one is Cruel Mirage, is a black linear holo. And this is a dark green jelly with flakies. It's called Haunted Forest. Okay, so keep in mind that now I'm gonna be swatching with my left hand. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Actually, you know what? I'm going to just use swatch sticks because otherwise I'm gonna make like the hugest mess ever. So let's just do it like this. Okay, that'll be a better way for you guys to see them. Very creamy and opaque in that first coat. Check it out. You cannot even see anything under it. We'll do a second one off camera and I'll show you guys. Next we have Highway Glow. So yeah, these are the exact colors of the website and the boxes and the branding and all of that. Very nice. Great match. And then there is the Fake Halo. It's like a rosy, rose gold, champagne rosé type of. Oh my god, the holo is so strong. Like you don't even have direct lighting and you can see it. Look at that. So strong. Oh my god. Beautiful. This is such a lovely color for the holidays because it's so like, it looks like a drink. Sorry, I don't mean to sound like I drink that much, but it just really does. So gorgeous. And then let's look at Cruel Mirage, which is the black holo, black linear holo. Also very strong, but not too strong that you cannot tell it's black. That's happened to me in the past with, sorry, my alarm just decided to go off. I was saying that in the past I've seen black holos that they have so much holo that it looks silver. So this one looks black. And then this one, which is like a jelly, green jelly base with flakies. Let me zoom in a little bit more. There you go. Oh, this is mysterious, you guys. Oh, okay, that's a lot of flakies. Since I already have, you know, swatch sticks and didn't end up using my own fingers, let's just swatch the black one, right? While we're at it. This is Emo For Life. It's a black cream. And then I will do second coats off camera. Wow. Oh, damn. I did not expect it to be that opaque. Okay, great. This is very nice. Very nice. Let me put it up against the window. Yeah, I don't see any light shining through. Holy crap, that was nice. Okay, I'll be back. All right, so let's take a look at them with their second coats on. Second coats on. Gorgeous. And I do want to try this 3 real quick on my natural nail because, you know, when you swatch on sticks, it's nice because these are see-through and I can see if the light is going through. I can test opacity. But sometimes when things glide on the nail, you get a different feel. And for other finishes, it doesn't matter too much because all these finishes tend to be good, but creams tell a lot, right? They're simple, but the formulas on creams really tell a very nice and different story sometimes. So I will try them real quick right here, right now. I was gonna try them off camera, but I was like, I'll show you. Anyways, this 3 beautiful. This is something special. This green is something special for Christmas, you guys. Look at that. Oh my god. So nice. Okay, let me try, especially the black. I want to try the black here on my thumb real quick. Again, excuse any mess in, you may see, but it's my left hand, right? So I just want to see how it glides, and holy cow. This is nice. I didn't even grab that much on the brush. This is Sharpie. Sharpie pitch black. There's nothing. This is a 1 coat black. Look at that. Let me test the other one since we're here. Because now I'm just mainly curious and I expect these to be probably the same, honestly. Oof. So good. So good, you guys. Even this, which is like a neon, pretty good. But this one will take 2. And I did grab a lot on my brush. But yeah, this is a 2-coater. This one, I would wear it at 1. And this is definitely, like, especially for nail art and stuff, very, very nice. Alright, so I had to step away for a second. And along the way, I banged my nails. So I removed them because I just made a mess. So what about this Manny, huh? Okay, so Mooncat. Gorgeous polishes. Good quality. Love the brush. Love the formula. Now I do have to say that Live Love Polish was just as good. So this transition from Live Love Polish into Mooncat is just kind of a plus for us because we get more in the bottles. I said earlier that they had 15. They don't have 15. They have 12, but these were 10. So we get more product. We get a, in my opinion, better brush. And as far as the aesthetic, these are friggin' cool. So it really just depends if you like them or not, but the bottle and stuff doesn't affect the quality of the polish, right? So as far as polish is concerned, not a single negative in this move, in my opinion. So thank you again to the Mooncat / Live Love Polish team for sending these to me for review. And let me know if you guys have any questions or if you want any comparisons to any of these. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching my review and all my, bloopers. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.